Assalamu alaikum students. Unit 7 of our English book is present perfect tense with just and almost. Just means now, abhi, and almost means most of, approximately most of. So in this unit, you will see a picture, read and answer the questions. There are some students or some children who are crossing the road. Zaib, Nasir, Uzma and Jamil. Has Zaib crossed the street? No, she has just begun to cross. Just means now. Has Nasir crossed the street? No, he is crossing now. Has Uzma crossed the street? No, but she has almost crossed. Almost means most of the area has been covered. Has Jamil crossed the street? Yes, he has just crossed. In next pictures, there are books, Zaib's books, Jamil's book, Nasir's book, and Uzma's book. Has Zaib read her book? No, she has just begun to read it because she is at page number 1. Has Jamil read his book? No, he is reading it now because he is on page 150 and 151. Has Nasir read his book? No, but he has almost read it because he is at the last page. Has Uzma read her book? Yes, she has just read it. She has completed. Then there are children who are taking slides. Uh, on the top is Zaid, then is Uzma, Nasir, and at the bottom is Jamil. Has Jamil climbed the ladder? No, he has just started it. Has Nasir climbed the ladder? No, but he is climbing it. Has Uzma climbed the ladder? No, but she has almost climbed it. Has Zaid climbed the ladder? Yes, she has just climbed it. So these are oral activities. You will just read it. Exercise 2 is give replies like the ones in red. Would you like a cold drink? No, thank you. I have just had one. Would you like this book? No, thank you. I have just read it. Question A is would you like a sweet? No, thank you. I have just had one. B, would you like the newspaper? No, thank you. I have just read it. C, would you like some more meat? No, thank you. I have had some. E, would you like some new shoes? No, thank you. I have just bought some. Would you like an ice cream? No, thank you. I have just had one. Students, you will write these question answers in your copies. Exercise 3 will you will also do it in your copies. Give replies like the ones in blue. Have you read the book yet? No, but I have almost read it. Have you finished your homework? No, but I have almost finished it. Have you read the newspaper yet? No, but I have almost finished it or read it. B. Have you written the letter yet? No, but I have almost written it. C. Have you done the work yet? No, but I have almost done it. D. Have you cleaned the blackboard yet? No, but I have almost cleaned it. E. Have you finished the exercise yet? No, but I have almost finished it. F. Have you drawn the picture yet? No, but I have almost drawn it. Exercise 4 and 5 are reading exercises. Practice this conversation. I have lost my dash. When did you lose it? I lost it yesterday. You will just read it. Exercise 5 is say aloud and spell. Behind, blind, find, bite, bicycle, like, child, climb, buy, high. Now let's read the fire one. Jamil and Uzma were in a bookshop last Saturday. They went there to buy some books. We have almost finished, said Uzma. We have bought 3 books, but there are still 2 books to buy. I want to buy a geography book and you want to buy a dictionary. No, said Jamil, I have already bought it. You have forgotten. I bought it yesterday. Don't you remember? Oh, yes, said Uzma. Now I remember. Let's go into this shop. I shall be able to buy my book here. Wait a minute, said Jamil. He pointed to a group of people. They were standing on the pavement. Some of them were pointing to the top of a large building. It was a hotel. I can see some smoke, said Jamil. The hotel must be on fire. We must telephone for help. Let's go into this bookshop and use the telephone. They told the shopkeeper about the fire and he quickly showed Jamil the telephone. Jamil knew what to do. He dialed 724891, the fire brigade. After 2 or 3 seconds, a voice said, Fire brigade here. Where is the fire? Jamil gave them the directions. There are questions that you will write answers in your copies. Number 1, when did Jamil and Uzma go to the shop? Jamil and Uzma went to the bookshop last Saturday. Question B, what did they go to the bookshop to buy? They went there to buy some books. C, who wanted to buy a geography book? Uzma wanted to buy a geography book. Question D, where was the group of people? The group of people was standing on the pavement. Question E, what was the large building? The large building was a hotel. Question F, what did Jamil see? Jamil saw some smoke. Question G, what was on fire? The hotel was on fire. Question H, where did Jamil and Uzma go to the telephone? Jamil and Uzma went to the bookshop to telephone. Question I, which number did Jamil dial? He dialed 724891, the fire brigade. Write meanings of these words and use them in sentences. You will do it in your copies. Words forgotten means fail to recall, neglect to do. Remember means recall, think of. Pavement means footpath. Upwards means up towards a higher place. And direction means way or route. This is the end of our unit number 7. Thank you.